Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Kingston 8 area. We're in St Andrew. This is what they call the Upper St Andrew area. We are turning on to Olivier Road. On the right is a Constant Spring Golf Club. On the left we just passed Discount Pharmacy. Most persons call this Oliver Road, but a subscriber just pointed out and I just saw the sign, so they're correct. The road is actually Olivier. So it's definitely not Oliver Road. So thanks to the subscriber for pointing that out. I guess a lot of people made that mistake because I too made that mistake. Okay, on the left is the Strathmore area. That's East Strathmore, and I have West Strathmore. Now over here it was an entrance to the Norbrook area, but they put up a gate for security reasons, so the only way to enter that area is now to go through Norbrook. So let me show you. So we just turned onto Norbrook Road. So before they had two entrances, two exits, but because they put up a gate there, and the gate doesn't open, it's always locked. There's no guard. Residents can't use it, it's just locked. You only have one entrance now. So this is where you would enter. So they have a sign, no through road. And this is Par Drive. Very nice homes. Of course, you know, the roads could use with some fixing up. Very nice area, very nice homes. And since they put in the gate, they don't have much crime. Okay, straight ahead you can see where the gate is. So that is Oliver Road. So as you can see, the gate is always closed and not even pedestrians are allowed to go through it. Alright, so this is Par Drive in Norbrook. Now to put up a gate like that, and I'm not sure if you have to get permission from the government or the Citizens Association can just put it up, but however it was done. And the same thing with those sleeping policemen that you see in the residential areas. I'm wondering if it's just the association that decides to put it up, or they have to go through a formal process. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Alright, so we're back on Oliver Road now. On the left is the Emmanuel Christian Academy. It's a prep school. And in Jamaica, when we say prep school, that's short for preparatory school. That means it's a private school, and if you say primary school, that means it's a government school. Okay, so on the right is a turn off to Allardyce, the Allardyce neighborhood. And on the left is the Shortwood Teachers College. They have a very nice field. It's a huge field actually, where persons play football, and then you have the Teachers College, and then you have a primary school over there as well. Okay, so we just turned on to Shortwood Road now. I'm going to show you the entrance to the Shortwood Teachers College. Okay, coming up on the left, this is the entrance to the Shortwood Teachers College. Actually, it says it's Caribbean. It has some other name on it. It's very strange. I always knew that place to be Shortwood Teachers College. Maybe they have more than one school over there. Alright, so this is Shortwood Road. Now to the right is the Cherry Gardens area. But I'm not sure if there was ever any formal boundary set for the Cherry Gardens area, because there you have the sign, Welcome to Cherry Gardens, on the right, and then on the left is Glen Ammon Drive, and some persons consider Glen Ammon a part of Cherry Gardens. Very strange, not sure. But definitely the houses on the right are in Cherry Gardens. And a subscriber very nicely asked me to stop saying that Cherry Gardens is the #1 neighborhood in Jamaica. So we'll stop. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.